Have you ever paused to ponder about the revolution in personal computing history? Before 1984, computing was a complex world, dominated by clunky machines and cryptic commands. It was an exclusive club where only a privileged few could speak the language of code. But as the calendar flipped to the early 80s, a buzz started to build within the tech community. Whispers of a revolution began to circulate, and an anticipation filled the air. Technology was on the cusp of a seismic shift, and the epicenter was a company known for thinking differently: Apple. The stage was set, the world watched in suspense, and amidst the fanfare of Super Bowl XVIII, a date was marked that would forever change the course of technology. Then on January 17, 1984, during Super Bowl XXXVIII, a pivotal moment in tech history was about to unfold. In an iconic ad directed by Ridley Scott, Apple unveiled a machine that would challenge the status quo: the Macintosh. On the grand stage of Super Bowl XVIII, the world was introduced to a revolution in personal computing. The commercial was as groundbreaking as the product it was advertising. It painted a picture of a dystopian world, suffocated by uniformity and conformity. The narrative was disrupted by a visionary woman, a symbol of change and innovation, who boldly hurled a sledgehammer at a giant screen, a metaphor for the status quo. The shattered screen was a harbinger of the disruption that the Macintosh would bring to the world of technology. The Macintosh was not just a computer. It was a challenge to conventional thinking. It was a testament to Apple's audacious vision of what personal computing could be. The Macintosh was revolutionary, not just in design, but in how it interacted with its users. It introduced a user-friendly graphical interface, a first in the world of personal computing. This, coupled with the introduction of the mouse, made technology more accessible and intuitive. It empowered individuals to engage with technology, to embrace creativity, and to boost productivity. This bold step by Apple set a precedent for personal computing, emphasizing simplicity and accessibility. It was the dawn of a new era, where technology was no longer a complex tool, but a companion for creativity and innovation. The Macintosh was more than just a computer. It was a symbol of Apple's commitment to innovation and user-centric design. This compact beige box with a friendly face of a monitor was destined to reshape the world's perspective on technology. The Macintosh, lovingly dubbed as the Mac, didn't merely exist. It thrived, surviving the ebb and flow of technological evolution, boldly charting a course towards a future where technology is not a privilege, but a right. A future where every individual could harness the power of computing, not just the technologically adept. The Macintosh was a beacon of hope in a world where computing was seen as complex and daunting. With its user-friendly graphical interface and the revolutionary mouse, it eliminated the barriers between man and machine, making interaction with technology an intuitive experience. It was a handshake between humanity and technology, an alliance that promised to catapult us into a new epoch of creativity and productivity. The Macintosh's influence extended well beyond its immediate user base. It was the spark that ignited a revolution in personal computing, challenging the status quo and setting a new standard for what a computer could be. It was a testament to Apple's visionary thinking, a bold declaration that technology should be simple, accessible, and empowering. But the Macintosh's legacy is not confined to the annals of Apple's history. It endures in every device that prioritizes user experience, in every technology that seeks to empower rather than intimidate, in every innovation that strives to make the world a better place. It lives on in the spirit of every tech enthusiast who dares to dream, every entrepreneur who dares to disrupt, and every innovator who dares to break boundaries. The Macintosh was more than just a computer. It was a revolution, a statement, a promise for a brighter future. It was a challenge to the world to strive for better, to push the boundaries of what is possible, and to never settle for less. The Macintosh's impact remains a testament to the power of visionary thinking and the enduring pursuit of breaking boundaries in the tech landscape. It is a reminder that innovation is not just about creating new technologies, but about making these technologies accessible and intuitive for everyone. And so the legacy of the Macintosh endures, a beacon of innovation and user-centric design that continues to shape our world.